What's up, Geeksters? Today I have a sponsor review for a brand new product called the Recolex Tap, which is an AI voice recorder. So with AI being all the rage right now, you guys are going to probably start seeing a lot of these types of products coming up very soon. But it's basically an ultra-thin audio recorder that can transcribe, summarize, analyze, and offer deep insights, all with AI powered by ChatGPT. It retails for around $70, and I'll have a purchase link in the description to make it really easy for you guys to find if you want to pick one up for yourself after watching this review. So without further ado, let's get to the review. So included with this product is a proprietary magnetic charging cable, a MagSafe protective case to attach the recorder to your iPhone, also a magnetic ring to attach to a case if it's not already MagSafe compatible. There's also a USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter and a soft carrying pouch. And then of course we have the Tap AI voice recorder. So this thing is super thin and lightweight. It's the size of a credit card and it's about as thick as 3 stacked credit cards. The body is made of light but sturdy aluminum, and it features pro-grade dual 360-degree noise reducing and voice enhancing microphones. It also has a magnetic charging port and a multi-function button which you use to power it on and power it off and also to record. And then last, it has an LED indicator light. And it actually vibrates and lets you know when it's been powered on and when it begins recording. So inside the Tap is a 64 gigabytes of local storage for your recorded audio and a battery that will offer 2 months of standby time, and it can last up to 30 hours of continuous recording. So in other words, you won't need to charge it very often. It syncs with your device via Bluetooth and the free RecolX app. And speaking of the app, let's take a quick tour. So once you've synced the recorder with your device, you'll be able to see its stats and features like the battery life, how much storage is being used, and which recording mode it's in. And you can choose between short distance, telephone for recording phone calls, long distance, and outdoor. And you can also change settings like turning off the LED status slide or vibration motor of the recorder. So let's get into the brains of the app and discuss some of the powerful and deep features. So when you open the app and turn on the recorder, it'll begin to upload all your audio files into your device, and it creates a new item for each of those. So from this main screen, you can see details like the date and the time of my recordings, and you can record lots of different types of things with this device, like announcements, presentations, business meetings, lectures, speeches, and more. Now when you select a recording, you can listen to it again, and then you can transcribe it. And when you listen to the audio after transcribing it, it'll highlight the text as it plays. And it's capable of transcribing and translating 112 languages. So once you've transcribed it, you can then select the next option, which is to summarize it. And you can choose which type of summary template you want for when it organizes the information. After that, then we get into a paid pro plan feature that really flexes its AI muscles, which is analyzing the information. And just like the summarizing step, there's tons of analysis templates that you can use to break down the content and help you analyze what to do with the information. Then there's my favorite feature, which is the AI chat. So you can actually ask the AI chatbot questions about things that were discussed in the recording, and it'll scan through it and find the answer for you quickly without you having to dig through all the notes that it created for you to find the answer for yourself. It's super helpful, especially for really long recordings when you're trying to find one piece of information. So there's 2 plans to choose from when it comes to the Recolex app. But when you first start using it, you'll actually get access to the pro features for free for the first 3 months. But after that, your features will be limited. So for the free plan, you'll be able to have 300 minutes or 5 hours of transcription time a month. But with the pro plan, you get 1,500 or 25 hours. The free plan gives you access to 22 summary templates, and the pro plan offers 71. But if you want to use the AI analysis feature, this is only available with the pro plan. The only other big difference is the cloud storage, which is unlimited with the pro plan, but for the free plan, it gives you 5 gigabytes of storage. Thankfully, both plans offer my favorite feature, which is the Ask AI chatbot. So the pro plan is currently $13 a month, or you can get a huge discount and pay up front for the year, and it's only $70. And if you want additional minutes of transcription time, they do offer some other add-on packages. So it goes from $2 for 120 minutes up to $65 for an additional 6,000 minute package. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably asking yourself, okay, why would I want to use a separate device to record notes when I could just download an AI recorder app and use my phone? Okay, I understand where you're coming from, but hear me out. There's 3 reasons why you probably don't want to do this and why you would want to use a Recolex Tap. First off, it's built with pro-grade mic that picks up voices clearly and cuts down on background noise, which is going to be way better than your phone's built-in mic, especially in meetings or busy environments. And speaking of the mic, that's actually reason number 2. Since you'll be recording your meetings and lectures using a separate device, that means you're freeing up your phone now to be able to use it for making phone calls, answering text messages, receiving notifications, anything you want to do with your phone. Because then if you're using your phone, it won't mess up your recordings because it's all being recorded on a separate device. And then third, and the best part in my opinion, is that it runs on its own battery. So you're not going to kill your phone's battery, especially if you're trying to use it all day long for multiple meetings and multiple lectures. This battery is going to last you a lot longer than your phone's battery. Overall, guys, my experience while using this product has been very positive. I would say that this is the perfect product for students or for professionals. And this would have been a game changer for me when I was in college trying to take notes during long lectures while also listening to what the professor was saying. But I plan on using this now for business meetings and while talking to clients on the phone so I can just focus on the discussion and then be less distracted with having to write everything down. But if you're interested in purchasing the Recolex Tap for yourself, check out the link in the description. And if you have any questions about the things I've discussed in this video, post those down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next video review.